Good morning, class 8th student. It's the part 15, chapter 6 science. Here we read about the rare species and endemic species. Rare species, the population of such species is small and restricted to a few regions. For example, snow leopard means we see in the diagram 6.9. This one, it's a snow leopard. Means the population of such species is small and restricted to few regions. Means these are not found in all over the regions, all over the India, but they find in the some restricted regions, or the species having the population which is small in number. Means the population of such species is small, their population is small, less, or they are restricted, or they are found, we can say, in a small region. The second one is the endemic species. That means that are such species are unique. They are unique and exclusively found in a particular area. For example, grey jungle fowl is endemic to India. Sal and wild mango. Sal tree and the wild mango are two trees seen only in the Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. Means these are found in a specific region, or these are unique itself. Means you cannot see them anywhere. These are unique. Just look the diagram of the grey jungle fowl. It's a unique. You can see it at a specific place. Okay. And the two trees which are given here, the sal tree and the wild mango, these are seen only in the Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. Okay. The next which we continue, that is the migrating animals. Migrating animals. Some animals travel large distance in search of better habitat for food, shelter, breeding and raising their young ones. It means some animals travel. They travel for a large distance. For example, they live in a particular place where the temperature is not suitable for them, or their environmental conditions are not suitable. So what they do? They travel for a large distance in search of the better habitat, means in which they live, and where they go, it having the better things there. Better habitat means their better home for better food, shelter and breeding and raising their young ones, means for the reproduction. They are searching the optimum or the comfortable situations for all these things, means their food, reproduction and the livingness. So they travel a large distance. Wild, this one is the wildebeest, which is shown you in the figure 6.11. Look here, it's a wildebeest. You see, they migrate. They are migrating. Okay. So wildebeest, monarch butterfly, leatherback turtle and Siberian crane. These are famous for the migrating. Siberian crane are a few animals that show the migration. Conserving endemic species and migrating species is very important, as the destruction of their habitat may result in extinction of those species. Means these species which are come in the endemic species and those are migrating, they almost remove or almost lose their basic home. So to conserve is very important. Their conservation is very important. Okay. So you see here the migration, they in a particular season they migrate. In a particular season or a particular time they are migrate. Okay. For getting the better environmental conditions. So here in this video you read about the rare species, endemic species and the migrating animals. Thank you class. We continue in the next video.